Good morning. This video is for my friends that don't have a lot of space. You may live in an apartment, or maybe you just want to do an accent piece anywhere in the front or in the back of your house. Just basically another idea where you can create something special, something that is all unique to you, and you can use any type of plants that you want. I have chosen my dancing ladies. I took a cutting from my big dancing lady. I put it in there. This is about a 2-year-old project. I used a branch that my lawn guy gave me from one of his cuttings, and I put it into the pot, as you can see, and I filled it up with dirt. In order to stabilize it, I put a stick in the back, and also I just added a brick because since it is an older piece of wood, it has gotten deteriorated, and that's something that you have to take into consideration when you start these projects. How long is it that they're going to last in there, and what you're going to do afterwards. For example, if I want to take this out of the pot, I could just put it on one of my trees. I know I do have that option. I put them on my trees, tie them up with zip ties, and then it will become part of the tree itself because it will adhere to it. Now that's something that I've thought through. I do have a tree in mind, but in the meantime, I enjoy it in a pot. I'm going to get up close so you can see what I did. Again, this is an older project, but I have phalaenopsis, I have crotons, I have pothos at the bottom, I have some cattleyas, I have some dancing ladies, and even nodosa. I also added some air plants that I have found along the way, and I just put them in there, and it fills up. When you first do it, though, it looks a little bare, so I just added things as I come along. So I'm going to show you now one up close. You can see what I'm talking about. See? I use this cutting from one of my trees. Here's the nodosa. See how the light hits it? Here's the phalaenopsis. Here's some of my dancing ladies. Basically, I took a cutting, I added it there, and here's the air plant. Now this baby has been blooming for a long time, and this one right here is actually making good progress. She has grown a little bit. This is a brand new leaf. As you can see, she's a little red. That's not sunburn. It's just getting acclimated because where I do have it, it's very bright, and it's just getting used to the light. Here's another one. She's on her way out. I'm going to see if I can find another picture to show you guys. So this right here is a moss pole that I picked up, and I added one of my other um, oncidiums on there. And this one gave me also blooms, but if you can see, I tied them. This is one of my first attempts to make this, and I use that green tape. I really don't like that green tape. I prefer to use zip ties now, but that's something that as we evolve, you see what you like and what you don't like. But see, the plant just loves the wood bark. And yeah, so again, this is for my friends who don't have a lot of space, or if you want to do an accent piece, this could go anywhere in your house. Just keep in mind what plants you choose. Like the croton does well with every every pot, every scenario, pretty much. I mean, they're just beautiful and they grow there, and they're a nice complement to the pot. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I hope you try something out yourself. Let me know. Thank you. Have an awesome day.